Hello, my name is Caitlin Swecker, and I am a Senior General Studies major and a TTU Red Raider. As a Weiser SSO scholar, I research communication and relationship satisfaction in same-gender couples as compared to different gender couples. Before I start my lab tour today, I just want to preface this by saying my lab looks a little bit different than a lot of other labs that you may see in these videos because I do research in the human sciences slash psychological field. A lot of our research ends up being more in the form of surveys and interviews. And I went with the former option, a survey, so a lot of the work that I do is online. And before I get any questions, yes, there is a guest. Her name is Presley. She is the apartment dog. Okay, so this is my lab. It's on my computer. I use two different sites. I use Outlook and Qualtrics, and I'll go over Outlook first and finish with Qualtrics. So I use Outlook to spread my survey link out to a bigger population because for a survey, the more respondents you have, the better your results are. So I have been emailing other universities and asking them to post my survey in their newsletters, in their email chains if they have them, or in their social medias. And I have specifically been emailing their LGBTQ plus organizations lately because that is the population that I am looking to answer my survey. And this is what one of those emails would look like. I give a brief summary of the survey after I introduce myself and say that I am an undergraduate researcher from Texas Tech. I provide them with the link, and I also provide them with the recruitment invitation, which says the exact same things that I have in my email, just a little bit more in depth. And so Qualtrics is a survey software that you use to create surveys. This is an editing view, so I am able to edit my survey. My survey has a first page, which just has a bunch of questions that people may have before they take my survey. And then it has all of my questions, of which there are three sections: demographics, communication, and relationship satisfaction. So other things Qualtrics can do besides just editing a survey is that it gives me different options through distributions to, well, distribute the survey among more people. It gives me the option to look at the data so I can see individual people's responses. And then I can ask it to generate me a report. And one last thing that it can do that I think is kind of cool is that I can preview what the survey will look like on both the computer, which is this one over here, and on the phone, which is this one over here. So folks, that is my lab. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, guns up!